In this video, I'll show you how to send or transfer a PDF file from your phone to a PC or laptop. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Next, open a chat with yourself. Once you're in the chat, tap the pin or attachment icon. Select Document from the available options. Now browse your files and choose the PDF file you want to transfer. After selecting the file, tap Send. The PDF will now be uploaded to your personal WhatsApp chat. Next, move to your computer and open your preferred web browser. Search for WhatsApp Web and open the official WhatsApp web page. If you're using WhatsApp Web for the first time, you'll need to link your phone by scanning the QR code shown on the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once connected, you'll see all of your WhatsApp chats on the computer. Open the Message Yourself chat and locate the PDF file you sent. Click the Download button next to the PDF. The file will be downloaded to your computer and saved in your Downloads folder by default. That's it. This is how you can quickly transfer PDF files from your phone to a PC or laptop using WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.